Picture this. You're an explorer, about to step into a vibrant, lush, untouched forest teeming with life, color, and untapped potential. That, dear friends, is the exciting world of cultural diversity we're venturing into today. Welcome aboard. Let's embark on this journey together. Our world is a kaleidoscope, bursting with a multitude of cultures, traditions, and celebrations. As marketers, our challenge and privilege is to navigate this diversity. That's where our trusty tool, the Diversity Event Calendar, comes into play. This isn't just a list of dates and events, it's our passport to understanding and connecting with the rich tapestry of cultures that make up our customer base. We start our journey acknowledging that yes, diversity is a strength, but we're not just celebrating diversity for the sake of it. We're recognizing that understanding and connecting with our multicultural customer base is a path to success. Like a light bulb going off in our heads, it's a brilliant aha moment. Now you're probably asking, what makes a diversity event calendar so effective? Simple. It puts you in the shoes of your customers, lets you walk a mile, or even just a few steps, in their world. It builds bridges of understanding, trust, and mutual respect. But hold on, it's not all smooth sailing. It's important to tread carefully. We need to avoid the pitfalls of tokenism and cultural appropriation. They're like quicksand, swallowing up our good intentions. But don't worry, with our diversity event calendar in hand, we can steer clear of these dangers. Next, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into some practical tips. Imagine creating a diversity event calendar is like planting a garden. You carefully select a variety of plants, the cultural events, and cultivate them with care, respect, and understanding. This garden isn't just a static display, it evolves over time, reflecting the changing cultural landscape. Now, we don't just talk about concepts here, we give you the proof in the pudding. We have real-world examples of how a diversity event calendar has worked wonders. From a tech startup in Silicon Valley to a multinational corporation in Singapore. And of course, we hear you, we've got your questions covered. From what is a diversity event calendar to how can my team start implementing it, we've got all your queries answered. Finally, as we look to the horizon, we see that the diversity event calendar isn't just a passing trend. It's the compass guiding us into the future of marketing. So, dear friends, as we wrap up our journey, remember, understanding and embracing cultural diversity isn't just a nice thing to do. It's the golden ticket to connecting with our customers and achieving marketing success. In the words of sociologist Emile Durkheim, we do not see what is, but what we are capable of seeing. And with our diversity event calendar, we are capable of seeing and celebrating the beauty and strength in diversity. So let's step forward, together, into this lush forest of cultural diversity. The journey promises to be exciting, insightful, and full of potential.